Today's Tuesday the 15th, isn't it? Tuesday, May 15th with Mr. Mel Lynch, and we're at the Broughty Beach. Here comes the train. Looks like it's heading north to Aberdeen maybe, on this bicycle built for two. Manufactured by HAL Industries, H-A-L. Sings Daisy and everything. And what's the little river brook coming out here?
Good question.
Make up something good.
It's the River Panmure.
River Panmure.
Panmure.
Beautiful panoramic view here. Now St. Andrews is down that way.
St. Andrews is straight across.
Straight across that way.
And what's to your right is a major Royal Air Force installation.
Oh yeah?
Where we keep the Russians at bay.
I see.
With our jet interceptors.
Well, more like Al Qaeda these days. And what's the village over there?
That's Broughty Ferry.
Oh, Broughty Ferry.
And beyond there, the hill is the Dundee Law, which is the hill in Dundee. And straight across is Tentsmuir Forest, site of special scientific interest.
Oh, really?
Yep. And down to the left here we have an army training camp.
Yeah.
Out in the peninsula, Larry Budden.
That's where we went a couple of years ago.
Yeah, where the lighthouse is. That's
I remember the beach there.
Land.
It's really windy, yeah.
And beyond that is Carnoustie.
Oh, really? So the lighthouse is on military land, you can't go to it.
Absolutely. Switch the light off when enemy ships come up the river.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, really? They get many of those nowadays?
I would imagine they would.
Yep.
Mainly from England.
Enemy ships from England. This is great. We're talking to a Scottish patriot here. Yeah.
Yes, viva la révolution.
Oui, viva la révolution.
Viva la république.
Viva la république.
Up your kilts.
Up your kilts, he says. This is great. Brings to mind.
No derogatory remarks about any ethnic, religious.
How am I going to put this up on Facebook
racial,
with all this stuff? Yeah. Brings to mind King of Hearts. Do you remember this movie? Alan Bates and Genevieve Bujold.
And you can see the swans out in the estuary there.
Yeah. Okay, folks, signing off from Bonnie, Scotland.